Maya stacks blocks in a staircase tower. Row 1 has 4 blocks. Each row above has 3 more than the one below. There are 12 rows total. How many blocks are in the whole tower? Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. Here is a hint. Do you want to add all 12 rows one by one? Step 1. Find the constant step. 7 minus 4 equals 3, so D equals 3. Each row adds 3 blocks. Step 2. Find the top row using the formula. A sub 12 equals 4 plus 11 times 3. That is, 4 plus 33 equals 37. Top row has 37 blocks. Now we have first equals 4, last equals 37. 12 rows total. Now the trick. Pair the rows from opposite ends. Row 1 plus row 12. 4 plus 37 equals 41. Row 2 plus row 11. 7 plus 34. Also 41. Every pair adds to the same constant, 41. 12 rows means 6 pairs. 6 times 41 equals 246. The tower has 246 blocks in total. This is the Gauss pairing rule. If a sum is arithmetic, then sum equals count times first plus last divided by 2. Look for a long arithmetic list where pairs from the ends share a constant total. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.